Hello, police! Someone stole my tiger! I need help! I need help!
What a beautiful morning here on the farm.
Tonight we're taking that tiger. That's the tiger we'll take tonight.
Remember, we take the tiger and leave quickly.
There he is. Easy catch tonight. Come on, tiger. You're ours now. Come on, tiger. We did it! I told you!
I told you!
Oh no! Where did my tiger go? Hello, police! Someone stole my tiger! I need help! I need help!
Uh-oh, the truck is stuck. It wasn't supposed to happen.
You can't steal animals in this town!
You are safe now. Go home.
We shouldn't have done that. I'm so glad you came back home.
You two are going to jail for stealing that tiger!
Oh, no!
Hi, friend. Welcome to the farm.
Tonight I'm going to steal those animals. Soon, those animals will be mine.
Hey, now it's time to put my plan into action.
Ha! Just what I needed.
Oh, no! Oh, no, not again! Ah! No, don't put us in the cage!
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
No one takes my friends!
I have to tell the farmer! He needs to know what happened! A thief took my friends!
Don't worry, I'll call the police.
Hello, police! I need help! Someone stole my animals and drove away in a truck!
Stop right there! You're under arrest!
This wasn't supposed to happen. Good job! The animals are safe now.
We're safe! We're finally safe! Yeah! Yeah! We're free!
Nobody steals animals in this town.
Finally, we are all home, my friend.